something I think a lot of us can struggle with especially when we're trying something new, is perfection, getting everything right. What's your advice to help people balance wanting perfect photos with actually getting their photos done? Because let's be honest, we could spend a long time trying to get the perfect shot and then editing. How do we balance that, Karen?
Well, as a perfectionist myself, I can tell you that done is better than perfect every single time. And yes, you can spend 3 hours trying to make sure your photo is exactly perfect and that everything looks the way you want it to. Or you can focus on three different things. You can focus on making sure your product is well lit, making sure that you're highlighting the best features about your product, and also making sure people can easily tell what it is from your thumbnail image. That gets overlooked sometimes. But if you're focusing on those three things, like that's it, move on and be done.
That's really good advice, thank you.